Welcoming you to the series of Google Sheet Query tutorial. In this video, you are going to learn about aggregate functions in Google Sheet Query. Let's do it. Just keep watching. Hit the subscribe button for more Excel tips and tricks that you needed to boost your Excel knowledge. These are the 5 types of aggregate functions in Google Sheets Query. And please note that group by option is mandatory if you are using any one of the aggregate functions. Okay, so let's check it out one by one. And this is the query format for query operations in Google Sheets. Okay, the first I'm going to define the formula for query, and the first parameter, as we know that entire cell ranges, and second parameter is a query string. Okay, here I need to define the query string. Just defining the query string B, C. Okay, so this is the basic query function, query format. Okay, so this is the basic query format. So in this format, I'm just going to apply the one of the aggregate function sum. Okay, so I just want to sum the amount column, because amount column only having that numeric values, whereas B column is not having any numeric values. So if I want to use the sum function, I need to specify the amount columns alone in the specified ranges, right? So I'm just going to use the sum function of C, whereas I can select the B column as well. Okay, so if I hit enter, you can see it is showing error as it is expecting that group by option. As I told earlier, if you want to define the aggregate function, you must specify the group by function, because system should know that basis on which grouping that sum should happen, even if you don't consider that any one of the columns, but you must define that all the listed group by columns. So you define the group by function, and group by you can specify the column as a B. You can see the values got summed basis on the group by. For example, you can see the Kumi got replicated 2 times in the defined ranges. So here that sum, the sum of the amount got summed together. Okay, so that is how the sum function works, and you cannot define the sum function apart from numeric formats. Okay, let's move it to the next aggregate function, average. So if you want to define the average function, even you can change the sum into average. Means you want to calculate the average of the amount column basis on the name grouping. Hit enter, you can see. So in previous formula, the Kumi name got added. Here you can see that average of these 2 values are available. Okay, here you can see that 6.5 lakh, the 7.5 lakh and 5.6 lakh. So both got averaged. Okay, so here it is trying to do that average of these defined ranges basis on the defined grouping. And if you are adding that C column as well, then you can see there is no column specific grouping, because that amount is different. I mean, amount is unique in the 13th and 14th serial number rows. Okay, so it won't get averaged because we have defined the grouping with C column. Okay, so likewise the average function works in the Google Sheets query. Let's move into the next aggregate function called as min. What do you mean by min? As I told earlier, min function is used to find that minimum of the specified values basis on the grouping. Okay, I'm just changing that average to min, nothing else. You can see it is returning only that 5.6 lakh of the defined. Here you can see 2 findings available in the Kumi, and it is returning only the 5.6 lakh. Means it is returning the minimum values of the defined ranges. Okay, based on the grouping. Okay, so if you want to check that maximum, the same way, instead of defining the mean, if you change that max, you can see instead of 5.6 lakh, that value got changed into 7.5 lakh, because based on the grouping, that 7.5 lakh is the maximum value. Okay, and if you want to differentiate with any other example, for example, I'm just changing that roughly to, you can see the maximum values available is 9.6, because this 14th row contains 9.6 lakh. Okay, so in the Kumi values, the Kumi groupings, I can see three values available. The three values, 9.6 is the maximum value, okay, and whereas 1.5 lakh and 5.6 is the minimum value. So if you change to minimum, you can see the 5.6 lakh. Okay, that is how that minimum and maximum aggregate function works, okay, in Google Sheets query. Let's move into the next aggregate function named as count. Count is a basic function, as you know that it is even available with the basic Excel operations. And if you want to control the count function in query, you need to define the same count here, okay, same count of. It won't require any specific data type to count, whereas an usual count function will be used only to count the numeric values, but this will not require to count the numeric values. Even it will count the another data types, something like text. You can see against Amudan I have one findings, against Kumi I have three findings, because it is counting all the names basis on the grouping, because I am just counting that amount column only, because right, so that B column is replicating and it is returning the count of that B column, I mean name column, okay. So this is how the count function also works in query, okay. Hope you understand, and if you want to dig in more about the query function, see our Google Sheet query tutorial series. See you later.